Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's occasion I'll be showing you how to make caldo de camarón, and it's super quick and easy to make. All you're going to need is 1 pound of shrimp, 1 cup of carrots, 4 potatoes, 1 squash, and half of it jalapeno. Now you're also going to need 1 tomato sauce and 2 cubes of shrimp bouillon, and this is the Knorr brand. Now, for the salsa part of this, you're going to want to use 2 guajillo chilies and 3 garlic cloves, 2 Roma tomatoes, and half of an onion. To the salsa, you'll be adding salt, pepper, and oregano. Begin by adding half of the onion to boiling water, your 3 garlic cloves, and 2 Roma tomatoes, besides your 2 guajillo chiles. Now you'll want to boil this for about 10 to 15 minutes to soften up, and then go ahead and add into your blender to blend all of the ingredients together. You will want to use just a little bit of the water that this was boiled into the blender to get it to, of course, start mixing, but then go ahead and add in about half of a teaspoon of black pepper, half of a teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Or really, it's to your liking. I did not find that this was salty at all, so that is at your discretion. Now go ahead and blend, and this is what you'll add in to your caldo. Now on to the next part. You'll want to set your water in a pot at medium-high heat, and then go ahead and add in your vegetables, your squash, your half of jalapeno, potatoes, and carrots. And then besides that, you'll add in your tomato sauce, and I used the entire container of it. You can certainly add in just any tomato sauce of your liking to give this additional flavor. And then in addition to that, add in your 2 cubes of shrimp bouillon. Now, 2 options. You can either do as I did. I added in the shrimp along with the vegetables, let them cook for about 5 minutes, removed them just so they don't shrink too much and overcook. Or you can boil all of these ingredients together, and then the last 5 minutes of boiling these ingredients, go ahead and pop in that shrimp just until pink. So I added it in at first to give my caldo that additional flavor, removed them, and then add them back in. But it's to your liking. Also, don't forget a bunch of cilantro. You will want to add the bunch of cilantro to give this the most maximum flavor. And your caldo should look something like this. So I'm just popping in the shrimp to finish this off before turning off the stove. But this is definitely great to pair with any vegetables of your liking. And you can probably even pair this with Mexican rice. And I've eaten this before with tortillas de maseca, handmade, but in this case I just warmed up corn tortillas with just a little bit of oil, vegetable oil, and warmed them up that way on the skillet. But I did top off my caldo with a mix of onion and cilantro and cabbage, and I topped it off with some lemon and salsa amor, but you can certainly add in tapatio or valentina, whatever you would like. But I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our growing family and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, be sure to follow us on TikTok under JeseniaV89, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.